Hi, I'm Dave Koch. I'm a physical therapist interested in seeing how we can help people with Parkinson's. I was actually diagnosed in 2017, but I knew 5 years before that I had symptoms. My first symptom was loss of smell, and then I had a little tremor in my left hand. And just because you have loss of smell doesn't mean you have Parkinson's. I knew that was one of the symptoms. So you get told you have a progressive neurological disease and there is no cure. You're given a pill and told that this may help slow the progression of the disease, which it doesn't. And it leaves you with no hope. People think, well, I can't get any better because it's a progressive neurological disease and there's no cure. But the fact is that with exercise, you definitely can improve.
I've done 2 studies with 54 patients with Parkinson's when I was working with one of the largest hospital systems in the United States, looking at how you can decrease the symptoms of Parkinson's patients. And one of the things that we found is exactly what's being done here at StretchLab. Hi, I'm Sanjeev Javia. I'm StretchLab's wellness and health consultant. When you're able to increase the range of motion of these patients and you're able to get them to fire nerve impulses through StretchLab's PMF stretching, you essentially are allowing them to create this efficiency of movement. You're able to create this effectiveness of movement, and you're able to now allow them to be able to manage the movement. One of the greatest things about StretchLab is its therapeutic performance stretching. So it's specific movements that allow your body to get into positions that increase circulation, that increase the neural patterns from your brain to your muscles, and it just helps the overall body to promote circulation, detoxification, and promotes movement, which is the hugest thing that anybody can do, is to get better movement.
Since we started StretchLab in the Valley, my endeavor has always been to help the community. This is something that I believe in. I have seen the benefits of it. We have over 1,000 members that we service every month. And I love what we do here. I love our community, and I want to help. Hi, I'm Jen Gage. I'm the owner of 8 Valley Stretch Labs. And as I started to learn more about Parkinson's through a pop-up event that we did in Tempe, I was just blown away that what we're doing here translates to what they need in their community. And I think that really set me upon a path of what can I learn more about the Parkinson's community and how can we help?
You encourage people to start with 5 to 10 minutes and just give them a plan that they can do 5 to 10 minutes, because it is very depressing. You see a lot of depression with Parkinson's because they have lost hope. But if they can get on track with just 5 to 10 minutes a day to get started, because we don't have a choice. I tell my patients, we need to be exercising, we need to be stretching. Very important every day. We don't get any days off.